Hey everybody, it's Mustafa here. Today I'm talking about how Next.js can be your secret weapon for tackling React SEO challenges. Get ready for some awesome tips and tricks. First, let's get started. What is Next.js? It is a React framework that makes things like server-side rendering and static site generation a breeze. These are key players in improving your React apps SEO. SSR in Next.js means your React app's content is pre-rendered on the server. This is great for SEO because it ensures that search engines can easily crawl and index your site's content. Plus, it speeds up the time it takes for your page to become interactive. Now let's talk about static site generation. With SSG, your pages are generated at build time. This means lightning fast load times and a big thumbs up from search engines as they allow speedy websites. Time for some practical tips. First, leverage Next.js built-in image optimization. Use the image component to automatically resize, optimize, and serve images in modern formats. Next up, dynamic routing. This feature makes creating clean SEO-friendly URLs in your React app super simple. Remember, good URL structure is a cornerstone of SEO. Pre-rendering is another powerful feature of Next.js. Use getStatic props and getServer-side props for data fetching. This ensures your content is ready and SEO friendly when search engines come crawling. And don't forget about meta tags and titles. Customize them on each page using Next.js's head component. It's a small change that can make big impact on your SEO. API routes in Next.js can also enhance your SEO game. They allow you to handle backend processes without needing a separate server, which simplifies the architecture and improves performance. There you have it. With these Next.js tips and tricks, you are well on your way to boosting your React apps SEO. Experiment, optimize, and watch your site climb those search engine rankings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys.